Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Sonic RS LT. All Apple Chevrolet customers will receive almost $3,000 in savings on this specific vehicle. It is a front wheel drive Sonic that comes with a 4-cylinder turbo engine, your custom black Chevy decals, and custom 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a black and red cloth design throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we do have our standard Chevy MyLink radio, our push to talk, and your cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.